The first breach of security occurs when a target is known to exist. Hello, and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. It's worth remembering that if a target is not known to exist, then it can't possibly become a target for criminal activity. So here are a few tips to remember. Keep as much as possible on a need-to-know basis. This can be quite difficult in businesses, but think of high-value assets or cash. Ensure that only those need to know about its presence or how much cash is held, or things like when is the weekly, monthly cash run to the business. Ensure that you escort contractors. If you have contractors or third parties on site, make sure they are escorted to exactly where they need to go and off-site again once they've finished their job. Make sure you take care of your security plans. These can often be found on the internet. Things like building contractors or architects have a habit of publishing their work on the internet. So ensure you have some way of protecting and guarding that information. Remember, loose lips sink ships. So encourage your employees not to talk about work or particularly sensitive information when they are not working. Keep a low profile when moving or moving factory or moving into new premises or doing some other activity that could increase your exposure to risk. If you would like to know more about this, please download our guide in the comments below. So remember, the first breach of security occurs when an asset or a target is known to exist.